Minglaba, my friends. This is Myanmar in 2020, a place where time moved slower, where golden pagodas touched the sky, and every Minglaba came with a smile. 5 years later, the world knows Myanmar for different reasons. My first day in Yangon was chaos in the best way. Street vendors calling out, the smell of tea leaf salad in the air, and that first glimpse of Shwantigong Pagoda glowing like it was lit from within. The Yangon circular train, where less than $1 buys you front row seats to real Myanmar life. Street food vendors, monks scrolling Facebook, students going to school, and is that bed quilts? When the earthquake hit in 2025, I immediately wondered that smiley samosa auntie still working on the train? Watching the sunrise with hot air balloon over 2,000 temples, it felt like stepping into another century. I remember thinking nothing can ever change this, but the earthquake did. Some of these temples are gone now, others are damaged. That's why these moments matter even more. Inle Lake was magic. These fishermen, they've been rolling like this for generations. I wonder, did the earthquake reach them? Are they still out there, balancing on their boats like nothing can shake them? Travel isn't just about places, it's about the people and the quiet moments in between. Mandalay was raw, real, full of life. 10 a.m., the only sound. This was Myanmar's heartbeat. This was the Myanmar the world knew. The Lonely Planet dream. For over 200 years, the bridge stood not just as a crossing, but as a silent witness to Mandalay's soul. However, the earthquake hit hard in Mandalay. Simbyung Pagoda, like a wedding cake for the gods. Till this day, I still remember the heat of the marble under my palms, how the sunset made everything look like a dream. I still remember the warmth of the stone under my feet, and the locals greeting us with soft laughter and curious eyes. Now, the cracks tell a different story, but the people, they are still here, still rebuilding. The water was a shade of jade, so clear and vivid. It felt like stepping into a dream. Didot was a hidden wonderland, one of those rare places that makes you pause and think, this is why we travel. I met a tuk-tuk driver here who taught me 3 words in Burmese. I wonder where he's now, and I hope he's safe. That's the thing about Myanmar. It stays with you long after you leave. Myanmar in 2020 was gold, pure, and unforgettable. Kids running through ruins, laughing, barefoot, free, as if history was never heavy, only a playground of stories. The earthquake took a lot. but not these memories, not the kindness I found here. And I have to believe one day the light will return.